Just get really comfortable, and we're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. And I encourage you to hold your inhalation for a couple beats after you inhale. So maybe count to 2 in your head. So here we go. Let's take a deep breath in and hold it all the way down into the lower belly. And exhale through the mouth. Another deep breath in. Breathing it all the way down, holding it, and exhaling through the mouth. And one more time, deep breath in. Holding it and exhaling. And just continue to breathe. As you feel comfortable, you can return to your normal breath. And I want you to take a moment to just scan your body, starting at the feet and the toes, and just notice if you're holding any tension in your body, just in your toes or your feet. Just wiggle your toes one last time and then completely relax them. Bringing your awareness up through the legs and the knees, noticing if you're holding any tension there. Just begin to release and just continue to breathe. As you feel comfortable, you can return to your normal breath. And I want you to take a moment to just scan your body, your buttocks, just making sure you're not tensing your muscles. Just release these bigger muscle groups in the body. Bringing your awareness to your stomach and your back and your chest. Just notice the rise and fall of the belly or the chest as you breathe. Connecting to the core of your essence, the core of your being. And then bring your awareness up to the neck and the throat. Making sure you're not holding any tension there, any tension in the neck. And moving your awareness down the shoulders and down the arms and into the wrists and hands. If you're lying down, please make sure your palms are facing up. Allowing the chakras in your hands to receive the energy that will be coming to you and flowing through you. And lastly, just bring your awareness to your face, your head, your neck, and making sure that your third eye is open and relaxed and you're not scrunching your eyebrows or your lips, your jaw, letting go of anything in your face that you can. Maybe taking one more final deep breath and exhaling through the mouth. Completely letting go of anything that's no longer serving you, any stress in the body, anything at all. And I want you to see, visualize, or imagine a beautiful ball of golden white light encircling all around you. With your arms stretched wide, this ball is about 8 feet wide in diameter. It goes all the way around, covering your entire being with golden white light, healing energies. Maybe it sparkles or shimmers or glitters. Maybe it's glass or titanium. This is your protection bubble, your field. You can envision it however feels right to you. And I want you to visualize a beautiful beam of white light. This is called the Buddhic column. But it's basically just a beam of light coming down from the grand central sun, Milky galaxy, coming all the way down through the cosmos where it interacts with our sun. This beam goes right through our sun and continues its way to the earth, to Mother Gaia, coming all the way down, down, down into the top of your ball, your beautiful ball of light, going all the way down through your crown, through all of your chakras, all the way down through your grounding cord and into the center of the earth, the crystalline iron core. Just allow yourself to be a conduit, a node on the light grid, connecting heaven and earth, bringing this divine masculine energy down to Gaia, feminine energy receiving. Think of yourself as a node on the grid, holding space and allowing this beautiful light energy to flow through you completely, washing away any negativity, any lower frequencies, any stress, worry, anxiety, all of that, just washing away. Going down, down, down into the crystalline iron core center of the earth for Gaia to hold and compost back to source energy. And now I invite you to bring your awareness back up into the heart chakra, into the heart space, finding your true core, your true essence, and your true self. Connecting with your higher self. You can say, I connect to my higher self now. And at this time, I'd like to invoke Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Gabriel. All of the Ascended Masters that work with me. I call on my Syrian and Pleiadian team. And I call everyone's higher self and teams and spiritual guides, starseed families, benevolent ancestors to come and encircle them throughout this entire healing meditation. Standing guard, know that you are completely safe and protected throughout this entire transmission. And just keep breathing gently. Allowing yourself to be free of thoughts, free of worry, to receive this beautiful meditation fully. I'd like you to imagine that you're standing at the edge of a dense, verdant forest. You can hear the gentle rustle of the leaves as a soft breeze passes through. The air is crisp and it carries the faint, earthy scent of moss and damp soil. Ahead of you, the trees part to reveal a hidden treasure, a beautiful waterfall of light cascading down from an unseen height. This waterfall is not composed of water, but of pure radiant light. It shimmers and sparkles, casting a warm, inviting glow over everything it touches. The light dances as it flows, creating a mesmerizing display of ever-changing colors. You can see hues of gold, silver, blue, and violet intermingling, blending seamlessly into one another. It's as if the very essence of the universe is pouring forth, illuminating this sacred space. As you approach, you feel the light's gentle warmth enveloping you, wrapping you in a comforting embrace. You take a deep breath in, allowing this warmth to fill your lungs, your body, and your soul. Each breath brings a deeper sense of peace and tranquility, as if the light is cleansing you from the inside out. You find a smooth, flat stone at the base of the waterfall and sit down. Close your eyes and listen to the sound of the light as it falls. It is a soft, melodic hum, like a distant choir singing a song of eternal harmony. This sound resonates with you, syncing with the rhythm of your heartbeat, guiding you into a state of profound relaxation. Feel the light on your skin, a gentle caress that soothes away any tension or stress you might be holding. Imagine this light is permeating every cell of your body, healing and rejuvenating you. It moves through you, washing away any negativity, any worry, any pain. And in its place, it leaves a sense of calm, joy, and pure, unadulterated being. As you sit in the warm embrace of the waterfall of light, you begin to sense a subtle shift in the atmosphere around you. The light seems to intensify as you feel a gentle presence approaching. You open your eyes and see figures emerging from this radiant cascade. They are luminous and ethereal, each one radiating a unique, comforting energy. These are your spirit guides, beings of pure love and wisdom who have come to assist and guide you on your journey. Their faces are serene, their eyes are filled with kindness and understanding. One of the spirit guides steps forward, extending a hand towards you. As you take it, you feel a surge of warmth and love flowing through you, amplifying the light within your heart. This guide communicates with you, not through words, but through a deep, intuitive knowing. You feel their message resonating with your soul. You are never alone. They remind you that they are always here, offering guidance and support whenever you need it. They encourage you to trust in your own inner light and to follow the path of your heart with confidence and courage. Another guide places their hand gently on your shoulder. You feel a sense of grounding and stability, as if roots are connecting you to the very core of the earth. This guide helps you to release any lingering doubts or fears, replacing them with a profound sense of inner strength and peace. They convey that you are exactly where you need to be, and that every step you take is part of a greater divine plan. With this assurance, you feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude and connection to the universe and to the infinite wisdom that flows through all things. Your spirit guides smile, their presence a constant, comforting reminder that you are deeply loved and supported on your journey. Visualize the light flowing into your heart, filling it with warmth and love. Let this love expand, radiating outwards until it encompasses your entire being. Feel your heart open, becoming a vessel for this infinite light, this infinite love, and allow it to flow through you and out into the world, touching everything and everyone with its gentle glow. As you sit in this sacred space, reflect on the light's journey. From its source, it travels down, giving life, energy, and warmth to everything it touches. In the same way, you can be a source of light and love in the world. Just as the waterfall of light nourishes the forest, you can nourish those around you with kindness, compassion, and understanding. Consider the interconnectedness of all things. The light that flows from the waterfall is the same light that exists within you. It is the same light that exists in every living being and every star in every corner of the universe. This realization brings a deep sense of unity, of belonging, and you are part of this vast, beautiful tapestry of light. Take a few moments to simply be, to exist in this state of pure light and love. angels to work with your energy field as they come in all around you and begin to heal and remove and rejuvenate your entire field. And as you continue to receive the beautiful healing energies from this waterfall of light, I invite you to take a breath in a little bit deeper than usual. Take a deep breath in, connecting back to your body. And when you are ready, you may slowly open your eyes, wiggle your fingers or your toes. This waterfall of light is still before you, and it's a constant reminder of the beauty and the serenity that is always within reach. Carry this feeling with you as you go about your day, knowing that you can return to this place of peace and light whenever you need it. You are the light. You are the love. And you are part of the eternal waterfall flowing forever, forever glowing. Namaste. And my beautiful beings, I'm going to leave you as you are, allowing you to stay in this beautiful space of peace and deep relaxation. And I hope we can meet here again soon. And I honor you and I thank you. And I'm sending so much love to each and every one of you. If you feel some tingles or some warmth around your heart, know that's me, sending you my love. Until we meet again, have a beautiful and blessed day. Much love.